Hi guys, gracias por regresar a mi canal, and if you're a newbie, welcome. Today I'm just going to be cleaning out my kitchen cabinets. We are getting ready to move, so I just want to make sure that I am going through everything as much as I can, throwing out things I don't want to take with me, and just making sure that things as organized as can be before the packers come to pack and move our items out of the apartment.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. From a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends. Still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I will say sometimes I feel like I have too many mugs, but then I see other YouTube videos of people who have like 50 mugs, and honestly, it makes me feel so much better about the number of mugs that I have. I was able to get rid of, I want to say maybe like one or two, but I felt like that made a difference, and then my husband wouldn't complain as much if I bought two more.
Would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right.
I love Tupperware, but honestly, I don't know, man. Sometimes it makes me upset because I feel like you have to replace them all the time. You put spaghetti in it, boom, you have to throw it away because it absorbs like the color of the sauce. So that's annoying, but I have since decided that I am going to only buy glass Tupperware, which, I mean, obviously, A, it'll last longer unless I drop it and break it. B, I don't have to worry about it staining because it's not porous. And I think they'll probably last a lifetime, honestly. I could be wrong. But anyways, that's what I decided I'm going to do. So I'm going to hit up Marshall's eventually and buy some glass Tupperware because honestly, I can't do it with these plastic ones anymore. They're just not for me.
would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight,
These in my hand, I can probably say I threw away every single one. These were the most popular ones in the household. We always took them to work, and I just feel like they were all stained or they were kind of bubbled up, and listen, they needed to go because they were not looking good. If I kept one, honestly, I'd be surprised because they just looked so bad. But like I said, they were popular. They did their job, so good riddance. Now these little ones I had just bought, so you're gonna see I basically keep, I think, almost every single one. Maybe that one I'm gonna get rid of, but I know I said that I was gonna buy glass ones, but I decided that after I bought these. But I just feel like being an adult is just having decent Tupperware. Like, honestly, that is like the easiest thing. But I mean, there are people that don't have Tupperware, and you go to their house and you're like, what do you mean you don't have Tupperware? There are people that honestly never ever replace their Tupperware. So if you're one of those people who has like nasty, dingy Tupperware, do everyone a favor and just throw it away. Throw it away. Go to Target, go to Walmart, shoot, go to Marshall's and get some decent looking Tupperware because trust me, you will thank me later. It'll be so nice when you're at work or even when you're at home packing your food and you pull out this nice, clean, new looking Tupperware. You're going to appreciate it. You're going to be like, oh yes, this is awesome. You're welcome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one. Bye.